Dlamo Ndlela, a member of parliament representing the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, has officially stepped down from his role to dedicate himself fully to the organization's growth and strategic direction. In a statement confirming his resignation, Ndlela, who also serves as the party's national spokesperson, explained his decision stemmed from a desire to intensify efforts towards building the party and said, "I'm resigning from parliament to focus on the party." Underscoring his commitment to his new responsibilities, Ndlela's resignation marks the end of his tenure in parliament, with no plans to return when the parliament reconvenes in 2025. The decision comes shortly after Umkhonto weSizwe Party President Jacob Zuma appointed Ndlela as the party's full-time national spokesperson, a strategic role that places him within the organization's influential Top 8 leadership. Members of the Top 8, which form part of the National High Command, are barred from holding government positions, aligning with the party's internal policies. In an announcement last week, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party lauded Ndlela's elevation, citing his leadership qualities and communication skills as a pivotal for advancing the organization's goals. They released a statement and said the Commander General President Zuma has given a command and appointed Commander Dlamo Ndlela on a full-time basis as an official in the role of national spokesperson. He will now participate as a member of the Top 8 and the National High Command. This decision is aimed at strengthening the party's communication machinery and shaping strategic direction. The president has confidence in Commander Ndlela to continue executing his responsibilities with the astuteness he has consistently demonstrated. Ndlela's appointment as the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's full-time spokesperson reflects a broader effort to bolster the organization's public engagement and consolidate its internal structure ahead of the country's next political cycle. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.